Alright, question 16. Walking 1 mile, you burn about 102 calories. So, part A, represent the relationship using a table. So, 0 miles walked is 0 calories burned, or 0, 0. 1 mile is about 102 calories, so 1, 102. 2 miles then is going to be about 204. 2, 204. 3 miles, add another 102 and you get 306. 3, 306. And then the last row, 4 miles, add another 102, so you have 408. So 4, 408. Alright, represent the relationship using an equation. The equation we should see is 102, y equals 102x, 102 times x. Where does that come from? This is a linear relationship. It has a constant rate of change. If you find the change in y over the change in x, you will get 102 over 1 when you simplify it. So the value in front of the x is 102. Alright, and then the last step for this problem is to graph it. Now some people lost points here when they should not have. So we put a point here because it starts at 0, 0. And 1 is at 102. So you got to figure out where 102 is. And it's probably a little bit below halfway. Maybe about a quarter of the way up. 2 is at 204. So you got to figure out where 204 is. Alright, and that one's probably closer to the middle here. 3 is at 306. So you got to figure out where 306 is. It's probably a little closer to the top. And then 4 is at 408, which would be right above there. Now, when you connect these, you need to connect them with a nice straight line. A lot of people didn't use a straight line. Also, this does not stop on that last point. You need to make sure you put an arrow there. This is the correct way to graph it. If you got sloppy or lazy and didn't make a nice straight line, then you certainly lost points. If you have any more questions about this concept for question 16, make sure you see your math teacher for another explanation.